This shipping container villa in Itacora, Paraguay defines modern living by blending innovative design with environmental consciousness. A retreat that harmonizes industrial aesthetics with nature, it offers an unparalleled escape where architecture and landscape intertwine. This villa is a masterclass in transforming industrial elements into refined, livable art. Constructed from repurposed shipping containers, its design speaks to sustainability and creative vision. The architect has reimagined the use of raw materials into a striking yet functional living space, balancing minimalism with warmth. Stepping inside, the villa greets you with an open-plan living area that flows effortlessly between spaces. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame breathtaking views of the natural surroundings, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. The ambience is serene, designed to foster relaxation and connection. The living room exudes an understated form of elegance, modern furnishings, soft textures, and a neutral color palette to create a cozy but yet sophisticated retreat. Whether sinking into plush sitting for an intimate conversation or simply enjoying the quiet, the space is crafted from both comfort and style. Adjacent to the living area, the kitchen combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Equipped with modern appliances and sleek countertops, the kitchen offers an ideal setting for culinary exploration. Reclaimed wood accents add warmth, reinforcing the villa's commitment to sustainable design. The bedrooms offer tranquil sanctuaries designed for rest and rejuvenation. Soft linens, warm lighting, and thoughtful layouts maximize space and comfort. Even the bathrooms, with their minimalist features and serene ambience, enhances the villa's atmosphere of calm and relaxation. Each space is private yet connected to the whole, encouraging mindfulness and appreciation of the surrounding environment. The villa's exterior is a striking composition of industrial elements softened by natural materials, a good interplay of exposed metal and warm wooden accents, captivating visual contrast. The large windows and sliding glass doors enhance the sense of openness, reinforcing the seamless integration between architecture and nature. The containers are positioned to create dynamic living spaces that interact with light and landscape. The design not only embraces sustainability, but it also celebrates the beauty of simplicity, proving that luxury can be both mindful and bold. Stepping outside, a spacious deck extends the living space into nature. Whether enjoying a morning coffee as the sun rises or unwinding with a glass of wine at dusk, this outdoor area is designed for both solitude and social gatherings. The connection to the environment is ever present, offering moments of reflection and appreciation of the villa's stunning location. The backyard features a pristine swimming pool, seamlessly integrated into the landscape. Its modern design invites you to take a refreshing dip or lounge poolside under the Paraguayan sky. As night falls, a fireplace adds warmth and ambience, making the outdoor space equally inviting after dark. Strategically placed lighting highlights the textures of the natural surroundings, transforming the garden into a serene retreat where the day gently transitions into night. The river bordering the property is the villa's natural masterpiece. Its gentle flow creates a soothing soundtrack, adding to the immersive experience of the space. The water reflects the shifting sky and lush greenery, offering an ever-changing canvas of light and movement. This villa is more than just a place to stay. It is an experience that invites you to rethink the relationship between design and nature. This amazing house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container architecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.